Hi there, this is Laura Moore with Hunter Quinn Homes. Today we are going to tour the Sullivan model, which is a spacious 3,090 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath floor plan. As you come through the beautiful oversized 8-foot glass front door, you have a spacious office and huge laundry room that leads out to the garage. This plan features a half-bath standard, but can be built with a full bathroom, making it into a 5-bedroom per bath home. The open living room and spacious kitchen are great for entertaining. Island comes with double cabinetry for more storage. Just off the family room is the primary suite with 2 spacious closets and en-suite bathroom. At South Park, we have over 14 home plans that we offer. All our home sites are 1/3 to 1/2 acre, and we have very limited homeowner restrictions. Upstairs, you will have plenty of room with 4 generous-sized bedrooms and loft in between. A Jack and Jill bath between 2 of the bedrooms. Across the hall are 2 more bedrooms with a full bath in between. We have over 9 communities with more on the way and build on your lot options. So call me today, Laura Moore at 86456915000.